Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tsumagake, formerly known as Tsumadete. If you're new, hi bestie, welcome. I hope you like it and stay. Please don't forget to subscribe. And to my day one, my family, hi gorgeous, I hope you're well. Ugh. I hope you're good, but I'm starting this vlog now in the car because I think we might be getting something. I'm actually trying to get something. We are going to town now. But before town, I'm going to drop the car off, go car wash, and then we're gonna go with my husband, and then we'll go to town. I don't know if you guys can see Shapone, but we are here Ocean Basket to buy that special now, and then we'll go home. We also went to the doctor because little miss here is not feeling well. Little miss here is not feeling too well, so we went to the doctor. Box 8 ribbons. Let me show you guys the humidifier that we bought. Yes. So we also bought this humidifier thingy, and and eucalyptus. Okay. Wait, show me. Air revitalizer concentrate.
And flowers.
So we will. When we get home. When I am eating. Tijo. No, it's not yours.
Just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong, a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow. Forever we will grow.
I will tell you guys how I feel about it tomorrow. For now, okay, plug in camera. So also tomorrow, I actually bought it because I googled and they said for free Abana we should get a humidifier. I think that's what they said. Anyway, and then whatever is useful. If not, I'm picking it away because what's the use? We are going
the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow. Forever we will grow. Forever we will grow.
Sambunan guys, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. It is a Sunday.
There's a chocolate.
Thank you, Mama. It is a Sunday today, and I haven't been vlogging much. There wasn't much to do. I'm taking a ride. Anyway, Tommy. Wait. Sure. So today I eat, but I'm craving something sweet, man. I can't get it kuku. It's a kilo, which we don't have, but I guess I'm gonna have bread, cup, biscuit, and tea with my baby here. So yeah. Good morning guys. It is a Tuesday and I dropped my baby off now. Go school. Now I'm going to the mall to get earrings for her. To get earrings for her because Zahana Manina Sala Alatla go school. So we are going to look for earrings now because it's been months asina and surely it's a bit and I also want to get coffee. I want juice.
couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh,
Guys, I went to Discount to look for surgical spirit. I didn't find it, so I'm gonna go to Clicks after getting the earrings. The mall is very empty and nice.
understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
Melang?
I'm looking for these ones. Slippers. I have slippers there.
No, not like those
Like
ones.
this one.
Give a name. 1,000 take.
Can I see it?
Stop.
It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na, na, na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me. But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na na na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all.
Guys, I'm done Momolo and I'm going home. I got my coffee. I got my coffee and that lady hamper plastic. I'm not sure because I got my baby's earrings. Let me show you guys how they look. Oh. So I got silver, cute silver. I think the gold was more expensive, and I don't think that's what we paid the last time. I think that lady was showing me the most expensive one. But really, I don't think the last time we paid a lot of money for the earrings. God, okay, these were 300, and about these ones, I think maybe by December she'll change to the ones I like. Nay. So now I am gonna close the vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And it's short. Okay, no, wait. Also, that humidifier thing, I'm not sure if the humidifier was the one helping or medication from the doctor. Because remember, we also went to the doctor. So I'm not sure, but then we used the medication from the doctor and the humidifier. And she's a lot better now. So, we keep switching it on every now and again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it's short, there wasn't much to do, but I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going home now. See you on my next one.